Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So today I had no Forex trades. I was busy doing so many things at once that I could only focus on futures. And with futures, basically it was a very sideways, frustrating day. You'll see in the highlights, I had about, I think it was one order or two order where it hit by to the tick, but the problem was I didn't get any fills, and so I couldn't take advantage of the trade. So nevertheless, it was I think late in the afternoon, around 3 o'clock. 15 is around 3 o'clock, where price retraced here near the volume point of control, and this is actually where I entered for one tick profit. Again, you'll see it in the highlights. It was crazy. I thought it would go down, so that's why I closed it, but that also kept going higher. So I mean, in hindsight, you can't really beat yourself up for it. It is what it is. And this evening it has continued going higher. So I don't know. Maybe I don't. Yeah, your job is not basically to worry about where it's going to go. Rather, which level you're getting into and how you're managing risk while the trade is going on. So it was a little bit too overcautious. Mind you, I had to go step out for a meeting again, so my schedule is so crazy. But if it had gone down, then it would have saved, the positive way to look at it, it would have saved me a losing day. So that's why, nevertheless, you're gonna have these days where your profits are very minimal, but you're still green, so that's good. Minus commission, I think they'll take $4 off of this, my broker. So it won't be much profit, but nevertheless we're still green, so that's good for the futures, trading the Emini S&P 500. For Forex, again, I couldn't get I couldn't get into anything because of, again, scheduling conflicts. Right now it's around 9 o'clock in the evening. I'm trying to see if I can get in on the pound New Zealand for Asian session. I might fade some of these levels. I'm trying to see if this can come up maybe here around this high volume node, which it may come up soon. So if I can get a trade in, that'll be good. If not, then it's all good again. The morning, if I'm not mistaken, we had a huge move down from the 10 o'clock mark, which I usually look at my trades. I think it went for, where did it go to? Yeah, it was a big move day. It went for 100, close to 115 pips. So that's pretty significant. But yeah, this evening it might go. Usually, these two markets are correlated. Pairs. So this might also go up. This is just educated guess, I guess. It may go up even higher, like maybe here, like at this level. But again, nothing is for certain, so we'll trade what we see, and what we see is what we trade. So that's how we do it. Okay, so in any case, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I can get in more trades tomorrow for you guys. and maybe a trade tonight. And yeah, signing off. Trade well, and thank you for coming back. Cheers. Bye.